This is a D45 1/14 scale truck. Check online for further detail. It also comes at a smaller scale, a 122. Now this is 4x4. It's a rock crawler and it goes a certain speed. It's great for kids, great for indoors, outdoors, a play area that you can have in the backyard. Let's unbox this bad boy and get right to it. This is the rock crawler. It is a 1/14 scale. Let's show you what you get inside the box. 5 replaceable screws that go all over the truck. A precision screwdriver to take the battery door and to replace the screws. A caution guide about batteries. An instruction manual on how to operate your vehicle. 2 18650 3.7 volt 1200 milliamp batteries giving you up to 45 minutes runtime. 1 charger that will light up red for charging and off when completed. The other battery is inside the compartment located here, removing the screw. 1 small pistol grip controller with right hand steering only. Supply your AA batteries, that'll be 2. 1 click forward, 1 click reverse, 1 click left and right, a blue LED with an on and off button. If you have a young one that's going to be doing this, please teach him a little bit about battery safety and how these plugs go. And if you have a little bit of paint, paint one color on each side of this unit so you can match up correctly, like for like. And when you charge the unit, you want to use a 5.0 volt up to 2 amps. Plug it in, turn the unit on, and it's charging with the red light. You can charge one unit for up to 90 minutes while you go have fun for about 22.5 minutes or more. When the light goes off, that means your battery's fully charged. Pull out, disconnect your cable. You can charge the other battery only and only when it's cooled down, the vehicle and the battery. I say that because you don't want to wear the motors out. Let the battery, let the truck, everything cool down for at least 5 minutes and go for another run. On the unit, there is a on and off switch. On is over here, off is over here, black on black with the red button, and this is where the battery's at. And you're going to unscrew. You're going to take this clip, push in towards the side over here, lift up, don't lose the screw, pull away. When your truck comes brand new, this is where the battery's located at. Please pull the battery out. This one is fully charged. The lead is a little tight, so be a little careful. Just release the module and pull the battery out, like so. To put in a new fresh battery, you want to squeeze on the clip. You want to match up like for like. Snap into place. And you want to load the battery up just like that. Very simple. Close it on up by putting the 2 matching knobs. A little pressure on the screw, snap into place, and finish off by tightening. Always save your box because you can always put this inside the box and do your work so everything doesn't scratch the body or move around. Do a little pre-check, make sure all the screws are tight, make sure the nuts are tight, switch is off, the battery is getting ready to install. The controllers, that it turns left and right, forward and reverse, that the batteries are fresh. If you have a little bit of steering trim, make sure this is centered or turned to go straight when you're doing your test runs. You could turn it left and right and that will straighten up. Make sure the wheels turn and there's freedom. Make sure the shocks move. As the 4 lights are lit, as you squeeze the trigger, you could go out there and have fun wherever you like. In the house, outside, make a trail. Wherever you want to run your truck, outside, inside, there are great ways of setting up a room and having fun. Please keep in mind this is not a tight turning radius and it will climb up certain obstacles. It's got a nice height. The truck has about 3 inches of clearance and about 5 inches of wheel space. Give you an idea how strong this is. It will go over. Give you the idea how it could climb this angle. When you're all done, it's best to turn off the vehicle first, the transmitter last. Remember, the blue light won't stay lit when the vehicle is in the on position. So let's go find a spot, go have some fun, and wrap this review up. I enjoyed the DE45. It climbed mighty fine. It had no problem getting up there. The front and the rear are locked, meaning it has a front brush motor that these two wheels, they are very tight in the differential as well as the back. They're very gripping tires, and I had no trouble at all having a long distance run. I had no trouble keeping this in control. I had a load of fun going out there with this little truck. I hope you enjoy your RC rock crawler from DRC, the DE45.